Today I got the TOPDON TB8000 battery charger and voltage monitor. Look at that. So this was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all honest opinions are my own. So let's open this up, check it out. Very nice packaging so far. I'm liking the packaging on this. Little card that comes with it. It is protected in foam. There's some foam pieces on the front here. Very nice box that this comes in. I might just end up storing it in this box when I'm done. Oh, in a bag. I might store it in the bag and the box. So it comes in a nice bag you can carry this in. And a very big manual that I'll look through in a little bit here. It's a multi-language manual. Nice sturdy feeling. We've got a screen protector on the front here. Plastic. I'm probably just going to leave that on there. We've got the 110 voltage plug-in with the piece of Velcro on there. It's nice. We've got two leads, the red and the black, positive and the negative. Very nice plastic. The lead itself is routed up through here. It splits off and it's actually connected to both sides of the metal here. So you can't catch it in the spring. Pretty cool. This is a nice thick plastic on here. Feels very sturdy. We got some rubber feet on the bottom of this guy. Rubber set on the tape. Look at that. Doesn't slide around. Very nice. Seems like some quality stuff. Yep, we got a little fuse right here and the power lead. All right, so after consulting the manual here, we're going to hook this thing up to the car battery. And I've got a 12-volt battery in my car. And this thing has several modes in here, which I'll show you when I hook it up to the car. But basically, it goes through a 9-step process right here that you'll see in here. It goes through, it diagnoses the battery, it goes through desulfation, pre-charge, soft start, bulk charge, absorption, analysis, recondition, and maintenance. And so when you plug this thing in and you set it to the mode that you need to set it to after you've consulted your battery manual to see what type of battery that you have, it'll basically go through this 9-step process to determine where it is in the process, and it'll start its process from there. And on here it's got a meaning, tells you what percentage of the process it's through, 25, 50, 75, and 100%. Let's hook this thing up and see what it does, see how it works. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and connect this to the battery. Before I plug it in, negative first, and positive. Plug this guy in. Right now it's in test mode. You can see a little blinking light here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and set it to 12-volt normal because that's what I'm using. Hit OK. And let it run through its 9-step process. It'll start going down through the 9 steps. Right now you can see it's blinking, it's at 25%. It's going to step 2. Step 3, I'm at 12.6 volts. And it's putting 5 amps into there. So now I'm at step 4. And I'm just going to let it do its thing. And I'll come back out here in a little bit and see how long it took. Alright, I'm back. I can see that it's gone through its entire 9-step process on the 12-volt normal battery. I'm at 100%. It's showing 13 volts on here where it's sitting here in the car, not running, obviously, and it has done its thing, and I'm right where I'm supposed to be. So if you're looking for a good 3-in-1 charger, reconditioner, and desulfator, check out the TOPDON TB8000 battery charger. Check it out.